In this video, I'll show you how to check your token usage in Claude AI using a free browser extension called Claude Usage Bar. This extension displays your session and weekly usage right inside the chat interface. First, open a new tab in your browser. Search for Claude Usage Bar extension. Click on the first result. It should take you to the Chrome Web Store page for the extension. Click on Add to Chrome, then click Add Extension to confirm. The extension will automatically appear in the top right corner of your browser. Now go back to your Claude tab and refresh the page. Once the page reloads, you'll see the usage bar appear in the text field area and also within the extension icon itself. The bar shows your session, 5 hours, usage as a percentage, as well as your weekly usage. You'll also see a reset timer and other useful stats. That's it. Now you can always keep track of your token usage without leaving the chat. If the usage stats don't appear, try reloading the page, or make sure the extension is authorized to run on Claude AI. Thanks for watching.